Our top story, finally its advantage Modi after the poor show in the Lok Sabha elections and losses in the Junagadh municipal polls. The BJP has won 4 of the 6 assembly seats declared. The Congress has won 2 seats. The BJP is also leading in the 7th seat yet to be declared. Of the 4 seats won by the BJP, 3 were held by the Congress earlier. BJP candidates have won from Danta, Jasdan, Sami, Dehgam and Chotila, while the Congress got just 2 seats, Dhoraji and Kodinar. Earlier the Congress held 6 of the 7 seats, while Kodinar was with the BJP. Chief Minister Narendra Modi had kept a low profile during these elections. He had not campaigned for the party in the by-polls, which are considered to be a test of his popularity. Well, let's just get you a reaction of BJP President Rajnath Singh.
Losing ground was wrong.
After seeing the results in different states in this by-election, no one can say that at present BJP is losing in the states. But BJP performed very well in each and every state.
Congress losing ground in Gujarat is losing at least 4 seats to the BJP.
According to this result, we can say that Congress is not losing its ground in Gujarat only, but Congress is losing its ground in Gujarat, Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh, in all 3 states.
Thanks.
Well, earlier NDTV's Rohit Bhan spoke to us on how this is a big relief for Narendra Modi and the BJP in the state.
It's celebration times here at the BJP's headquarters in Ahmedabad after an impressive performance in the by-elections. 7 assembly segments which went to by-polls on 10th. The results are out. And Narendra Modi and his BJP has registered an impressive performance in these polls. Clearly, the Chief Minister was under pressure following the Lok Sabha debacle, Lok Sabha unimpressive performance, and also the Junagadh municipality polls wherein it had lost to Congress, but registering an impressive performance in the by-elections. You can see behind me, celebration time here at the BJP office. It's been after a long time because Narendra Modi has been under pressure to deliver. He has lost. Many analysts believe that he had lost his winning streak, but now winning many number of seats, snatching away many number of seats from the Congress, he has again registered an impressive performance and clearly sending across a signal that you cannot write off Chief Minister Narendra Modi just as yet. In Ahmedabad, with camera person Natwar Parmar, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.
Right, so jubilation among the BJP in this state, but the Congress there now says they will analyze why they lost.
तो बाद में हमको ऐसा जो झटका मिला है तो ये सब बात को लेके फिर एक बार कांग्रेस के सभी सीनियर लीडर बैठेंगे और कौन सी ऐसी बात है कि जिसकी वजह से लोगों ने हमको हमारी जीती हुई सीट हमारे से वापस ली है।